Ledger lines. We saw that the notes of the lines of the treble clef are E, G, B, D, F, and the notes of the spaces are F, A, C, E. We also saw that the notes of the lines of the bass clef are G, B, D, F, A, while the notes of the spaces are A, C, E, G. But what if we want to play notes that are higher or lower than these 20 notes? How do we play more notes? After all, a piano keyboard can have as many as 88 keys. To take care of this, in music notation, ledger lines are used. Ledger lines are short lines placed above and below the musical staff to accommodate notes that are lower or higher than the range of the staff. One very important ledger line you should know as a beginner is middle C. Middle C, as we've seen, is located near the middle of your piano or keyboard. For piano music, a grand staff consisting of a treble staff and bass staff is normally used. A grand staff is a treble staff and bass staff joined together by a brace. Middle C is on a ledger line in the middle of the grand staff, between the treble and bass staff. Usually, to play notes from middle C and higher on your piano, you use your right hand. To play notes that are lower than middle C, you use your left hand. In this diagram, we can see that there are many ledger lines. But there's nothing to be scared about. The notes are simply moving in alphabetical order. As you progress, it will all become quite simple. But for now, focus mainly on the lines and spaces in the treble and bass clef, as well as the note middle C. Notes on the keyboard and staff. In this diagram, you can see the notes of the treble and bass clef and how they correspond to the various keys on your piano keyboard. The notes on the treble and bass clef are simply telling you what notes to play on your keyboard.